I'm in MyWhoosh, creating a custom workout. I have already created one. So let's go to my workout. See, I've already created one. This one is a zone 2-ish and 70 minutes long. So let's quick create an alternative. So I am going to do a ramp up for my warm up. I'm going to start at 110 watts to 240. Yeah, that's a bit much for me. So let's make it 195. Okay, and this is 10 minutes. That's a long time for me, and they count it in seconds. So let's do it. Let's do it at 420 seconds. That should be 7 minutes. There we go. Yeah. Now, after this, we want to do a zone 3, which for this is 180. Let's make this 170 for now. And let's set this to a, well, let's go with the 7-minute theme for a minute here. This isn't going to be quite as scientific as other people's workouts might be. And this is 150. So let's make this 140. And let's make this, oops, yeah, since we're talking about seconds here, sorry about that. Minutes, 180. There we go, 3 minutes. So now, let's see, is there a way to copy this? It doesn't look like an obvious way to copy this. That's a definite, that is a definite no-go kind of thing. It's like, oh, can't copy these, dang it. So, I wonder if you could shift drag. There, I don't know. Let's, okay. So let's do this and then add another one of these for 140. Sorry about the dogs, but the fam is out. All right. So let's do 170 for 7 again. So this is kind of wonky because I think in Training Peaks, if I recall correctly, you can copy and paste your each of one of these little segments. This is going to be a pretty burly workout. Just to be honest with you, it's going to be kind of a burly workout. How many minutes have we got now? 30 minutes. Okay, that's a pretty good halfway part. So let's do another one of these and make this, let's make this, go ahead and leave this at 180. And we'll make this at 420. That's going to be kind of tough. Okay, now we will give ourselves a little bit of a break. And what is this? 110 for 5. Let's make this 3 minutes as well. Okay, good. So this is going to be a pretty hefty zone 3 with a little bit of zone 4. I should be able to handle that just based on, and these zones are like, you know, kind of, yeah, I wouldn't stake my life on that, that's for sure. All right, zone 3 for 170 and 7 minutes. Zone 2 for 140 and 3 minutes. Again, this is not scientifically accurate. Just so that we all know, this is not scientifically accurate. And I'm going to change you to 110. Huh, interesting that it didn't automatically change colors on me here. That's okay. All right, now, zone 3, 170, 420. And where are we at? 57 minutes. Zone 3 for 180, 3 minutes, and 140. So we've got a kind of almost symmetry going on here. This workout looks like it's going to be, see, for trainer name, we're going to call this Bob. And description, trying to get in some zone 3 and a smidgen of 4. All right, now we're up to 1 hour. So let's add in the zone 4 like we did before, which was at 180. So let's do it 180. This is going to be almost like an FTP workout, isn't it? By the time we're done, huh? 140 in 3 minutes, 180. Yeah, this is looking a lot like an FTP workout, although evil. Let's see, that's 170. This is 170. So let's make this 160. Taper into it. 160. Taper into it. And then at the end, we will do a ramp down from 200. I know that's horrible, right? And let's make this 300 and make that 110. Does that look good? That's 115. I think that's a pretty good duration for a workout like that, and that kind of works with my morning schedule that I've got right now. So let's change the name of this, and we call it Zone 3/4 75. Okay? Because that way when I'm picking it out, I know 75 minutes. All right, let's save this bad boy. There we go. There's my 2 workouts. My 72 minutes of zone 2-ish with just a little bit. It's on the high end of 2. And then my zone 3/4 at 75 minutes. So 72 minutes, 75. I know I call this 70-ish. Let's edit this here. Call it 72 so that we know for sure. Anyway, what I'm going to do then is I am going to ride these over this week, and let's see if I can give you a report. Anyway, this is MyWhoosh. It's a free alternative to Zwift. It's run on the Unreal Engine, so the video game graphics are pretty wild. I'm actually running it on a computer that's not quite, it's like slightly below the minimum required specs for a PC. But you know, it's like high in memory, but it's low in CPU, and it's right there for video card. So it's just like right on the edge, and sometimes it glitches a little bit, and it's not that big a deal. And my biggest complaint with MyWhoosh is going to have to be that the update cycle is kind of wonky, and it catches me at a bad time because I really don't have a lot of flexibility for time when I'm hurrying up to try to get into my morning commute. And maybe you have the same problem. Let me know. Anyway, thanks. Is there a way to turn this down? Dude. That's terrible. I'm going to turn it to 0 because I don't want to go to jail over this. Okay. All right. I'm in MyWhoosh. Wrong camera. I'm in MyWhoosh.